Valentine's Day is an occasion that no dropshipper can afford to miss. This is a time when you can sell products that only have a wow factor and still see massive success. And this is due to one important tool we utilize, and that is the emotions of our customers. See, this is the season of love, and the only thing people are concerned about is making their partner happy. And when people think with their emotions, they are more likely to spend money on something that might not even make sense to buy in the long term. My name is Nate, and I've been able to generate over $100 a day with dropshipping. In this video, I'll be sharing 25 winning products that will sell during Valentine's 2025 as long as you act now. I'll also be giving away the list with all the products and all the links once this video hits 40 likes. Now, without further ado, drop a sub on the video and let's get straight to the first product. Now, the first product here is the women's leak-proof panties. The reason it's number one is because yes, it's something you can't get for your girlfriend, which meets the Valentine's criteria, but then on top of that, it's actually a problem-solving product. So when they end up buying from a brand selling this product, the chance of them coming back is way higher because it's something they actually need. And not only is it something they need, it's something that they would rather stock up on because it's a problem that's never going to go away. So my recommendation for this product is to sell it as a bundle. For example, I'll buy one, get one free, buy three, get two free, something like that. Sell them large quantities of this because they need large quantities. Now, I'm sure you can see that I'm using a platform called minea to find these winning products. This is actually what I usually use. This video is not sponsored. These guys are genuinely the best at what they do because as you can see here, they have a tab for ads, and inside there, I can look at ads being run on Facebook, Meta Ads Library, Pinterest, TikTok, and they even have an automatic Valentine's Day filter that's gonna bring me products that are most likely to sell during Valentine's. Like, look, this product is on the list. As you can see, there's also shops. You can see shops that are making the most money. As you can see, you can even sort by dropshipping stores. You can search by products. You can do a magic search in order to even look for an ad for the product that you find. And not only that, let's open up one of the products and you're about to see the best part about using minea. And with this find suppliers button, you'll actually get a direct link to the supplier of your product because it's gonna do like an image search. And you can choose either AliExpress or Zendro. Now I chose AliExpress, and as you can see here, you can get 20% off of minea using the code NATE20 at checkout, and I'll have a link to minea in the description down below. So here's the second product we have on our list, which is a wooden shoe stretcher, which is used to help people fit into their shoes if they're like too tight. And now you're gonna be wondering, why do I say this is a Valentine's product? Because this product you can upsell together with like Valentine themed shoes if you wanted to, and then you sell this as an upsell. Boom. But even then, this alone could still be a Valentine's product as long as you just target women in the angle, because most of them suffer from the issue of like being unable to fit in their heels and all that. Third product that we have here on our list is the Eternal Projection Necklace. Now this product is customizable, where your customer is going to send you a picture, then you're going to forward that picture onto the supplier, and they're going to put it inside the product so that whenever they look into the product like with their eyes, they're going to see that little picture of them, which is ideally, you know, the person and their girlfriend. And you know, just because I'm feeling nice, here's a winning ad for that product.
Alright, y'all, it's my girlfriend's time of the month, but I'm gonna try and cheer her up with this necklace. A lot of y'all know my girlfriend Coco here, and she's been in a very down mood because, you know, but I have a gift for her, and I want to get your reaction on camera. So close your eyes.
Oh gosh.
Open them. Ooh, I know you're feeling that. Look inside. Look inside. Look inside.
You mean look inside?
Look inside the heart. What do you see?
It's a picture of us.
Yeah, that shit's sick, huh? Do you like it?
Can you put it on me?
Yeah.
Are you struggling?
I got it. She's so beautiful.
This is cute. Thank you.
A rose bear with lights. Now this product is something special because I ran this product last year during Valentine's, and it actually got me my first ever dropshipping sale, making $60 in one day. And that was when the truth was revealed to me that no, your product doesn't always need to be problem solving. As long as you time it perfectly, a wow factor product can go stupid. And the reason this one particularly did well is because there's the normal Rose Bear version, who we have done like a collab with Cardi B and all of that, but no one was selling the LED version, only me, and as a result it worked out. The next product that we have on the list is this enchanted rose, and I was also running this product on the same website as my other Rose Bear, but nevertheless this product is of course very good wow factor. It glows, it shines, it's something a girl would love, and it can be upsold together with the bear or with another kind of jewelry product, and we're gonna look at a few in this video. Now product number 6 is our first kind of real jewelry product that is actually going to be bought just because it looks good as jewelry, and that's this, the lucky heart necklace. It's like 4 hearts and then they combine together to form like a little circle, I would say, and then you can break them apart like that. Super good, super functional. Here's a winning ad for it. Product number 7 is this mountain and sea touch bracelets that basically vibrate when one person touches it. So it's mostly for like long distance relationships. Now this product is kind of popular, but that does not mean you can't sell it, bro. If a product is popular, you simply need to shift the angle, shift the audience that you're selling it to, and everything will be fine. Now what other audiences can you sell it to? I'm not gonna tell you. You have to go out and do your own research. But just know, product number 8 is this eternal rose box. It comes with an engraved necklace in it. Now, just your basic jewelry products, but the way I would sell this is by doing a bundle with more boxes and then like one free piece of jewelry, which is what they're gonna put inside the extra box. Because once they take the boxes, they'll be like, I need something to fill it in with. And the same store that sold them the box is selling them more jewelry, like the ones we've been looking at. Product number 9 here is this viral shaver, where as you can see, you basically take a normal razor, you put it inside there, and then you attach the base, and then you can basically go ahead and use it to shave much easier. Now, this product will sell during Valentine's because people would like their girlfriend to shave, you know what I'm saying? And also to shave their legs and all of that. And this product number 9 is actually in combination with product 10. Product 10 is basically the same exact thing, except it has like 2 heads. One is like the one they would use when you're at the barber, I don't really know the name of it, and the other one is what you'd use to like shave your eyebrows. So basically this one is for shaving the entire body. So you could sell it on the same website as the last one, except you market this one as a V2. And doing this actually employs the use of the decoy effect. And here's a quick video explaining exactly what that is.
This simple trick doubles your sales immediately. Imagine you sell 2 products, one for $30 and another for $50. The $50 product has more features, but people mostly buy the $30 product. Now, introduce a third option, a decoy. This decoy is priced at $45, but has fewer features than the $50 product. Suddenly, the $50 product looks like a better deal, and more people choose it. This happens because our brains compare options to make decisions. This effect is called the decoy effect. Use it to manipulate your customers towards your preferred choice.
Product number 11 is this customized name bangle, which basically explains itself. You give them the name that you want them to make, and they send you the bangle with that name. Now this is actually a form of dropshipping known as print on demand. It's a little bit tougher to do than dropshipping, but you're gonna make more money because your products are all gonna have that personalized touch. Now product 12 is also very similar, which is a customizable name necklace. Basically the same thing, but a necklace. Product number 13 is also a customizable product, and this is the customizable picture bracelet. So instead of the other one, which was a necklace, this one is now a bracelet, which is basically gonna have the picture in it if they decide to look inside and whatever. Product number 14 is this electrical water flosser. Now this is a Valentine's product because you could use the angle of saying, let your partner know that their mouth stinks without having to be rude about it. I really like this product because just because of the amount of features it has and its size, you can hike the perceived value up so high. Like you can sell this for $65 easy. Here we have product 15, which is this braided layered bracelet with a rose flower. So it's basically a 2-in-1 kind of Valentine's care package, but I like the bracelet a lot just because it's unique and it says over here, love you forever. Now product number 16 is gonna lean a bit further away from dropshipping and more of like a print on demand clothing brand, and this is also gonna be harder to run as a product because as you can see, it's basically like shirts with your partner's name, and it's a graphic tee with your partner's name and their best pictures. And your biggest struggle when selling this product is finding a reliable supplier who's going to use the right materials, the right colors in the print, who's going to do it consistently, who's going to not run out of stock. And if you're willing to do all of that to make this work, it will work, bro, because this is insane and it's evergreen too. People don't only love their girlfriends on Valentine's Day. It doesn't even have to be about girlfriends. You could do this for your mom, your dad, your sister, your dog, anything. This is actually a product I might save for later. Product 17 we have here is this envelope letter necklace. Now, as you can see, you open up the envelope, you hide the little I love you message inside and you put it in. Also drop a comment down below whether you guys have a Valentine's or not. I'm trying to see some. So this product provides period pain relief. As you can see, they wrap it around and it relieves the pain, to be honest. Now this is a problem solving product and it's a Valentine's product and it's pink, which is actually going to drive more conversions than you think. Product number 19 we have here is this custom boxer. So obviously this is for those couples that are on the more freakier side, but that's actually a lot of people. So this is a product that could easily sell and it's funny. Product number 20 is this surprise wallet card. So this product is something like you would hide in your significant other's wallet and just leave it there for them to find it eventually to give them a little, you know, adorable surprise. And of course it has the little commitment on the card. You know, it's a kind of thing that would strengthen your relationship, which is why people would buy it for Valentine's. And of course it's something that they can always carry around because it's card sized. It's made to be in a wallet. Next product we have here is just like a little cute promise necklace, and it has a really big subliminal message, and that would make it do better than other products on this list. Product number 22 are these I love my boyfriend sweatpants. Now it's pretty obvious why this product would do well. Again, your only issue really would be just trying to get a good supplier, but once you lock that in, it's gonna be smooth sailing because it's not print on demand, it's just one message that they're printing. And another reason this one can do well is it will spike up once again on International Boyfriend's Day too. Product number 23 here is this couples lamp, which is customizable. As you can see, they've put their names on both sides. Maybe you can also customize the picture, but yeah, just a really sweet product for couples to have. Maybe you would advertise this one to more of an older audience, older couples that are thinking about, you know, finally retiring, living together, traveling the world, not having to worry about work, stress. That's the kind of vibe that this product is giving me. The second to last product that we have here is this blooming tulip lamp. Now, this is more of an evergreen one, but it's something that would do well during Valentine's because it's a flower, and a pink flower at that. Now the final product we have here, product number 25, is this bear necklace holder. So this is basically just an advanced version of a gift box. So it's more of an upsell product to if we're selling different kinds of jewelry on the website, and then this is just the option that they can choose to have as their packaging for the gift when it eventually gets to their loved one. And that's it for the list. Now, if you guys would like to learn one-on-one from me, learn exactly how I went from making $0 to over $100 a day with dropshipping, and how I helped my client Nick make his first $300 with dropshipping, then book a free call with me using the link in the description down below, topaidcommerce.com. If you don't have enough money to start dropshipping yet, and you'd still like to learn how to make money online, then I'll have a link in the description to my ebook that will teach you exactly how I made my first $5,000 profit online from just uploading videos on YouTube. Now remember guys, if you want me to drop the document with all the links to the products on minea, then let's have this video smash 40 likes. Please subscribe too. I'm trying to hit 1.5, no. I'm trying to hit 2K subscribers, so please subscribe. And until next time, my brothers, stay hard, stay focused, and keep grinding. Peace.